Hi guys, let's study The Ice Cream Man. Poem Ice Cream Man is a poem in unit first of CBSE book class 5th. In the poem The Ice Cream Man, the poet talks about the specialities of an ice cream man, and in the introductory part of it he talks about the specialty of ice cream. He says that what a cold, sweet and creamy and wonderful things to eat ice cream is. He asks us a question with the favor to know that is the ice cream really your favorite thing. And of course it's everyone's favorite thing that everyone wants to eat. So let's study the poem The Ice Cream Man with my studies by Sunny Singh. When the poem starts with the summer when the blaze of heat. See, when summer in the city and brings a blaze of heat. You can say a blaze of heat means when the summer is full of hot and fiery air, flamy air. When summer is very hot, that time in that summer which is very hot and bright, the ice cream man with his cart, with his little trolley, the box trolley in which he carries the ice cream, goes trundling down each street. Look at the word trundling. It means moves. He moves down the street in the heat or hot summer days. Beneath his round umbrella, people can see and can find the different flavors of joy. Look at the lines, what he says. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! It's a joyful sight to see beneath the round of the umbrella that is put on the cart of the ice cream man. To see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Of course, the poet says the ice cream man has many cones of ice cream which are filled with cooling brown, white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and chili drinks. Bottle of frosty fizzy drinks that you call Pepsi, and cold drink, other type of ice cream and drinky juicy ice creams, which are the different flavors. And the ice cream man's cart is filled with all the different flavors. You can see talks about vanilla. He talks about the different flavors, among which he talks about vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and of course he also talks about the fizzy frosty drinks that the ice cream man carries. And the colors of the frosty drinks are green, orange, white, pink. These are in small pipey things, which you can also say they are like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, in small pipes like things. And of course, drinking them and eating the different flavors of ice cream fills us with joy and happiness. That's why, as the ice cream man comes into the street, the children run to him like swan, like bees, like honey bees. And then we see his cart like a flower bed. See what he says? The poet says his cart might be a flower bed. His cart looks like a bed of flowers, a bed full of flowers like roses, sweet peas. And so the children look like honey bees, and they rush towards the cart to get the ice cream. See the line? His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster round as thick as honey bees. You can see he says that children cluster round. Cluster, the word cluster means gather. Children gather round his cart like honey bees, as honey bees. So the ice cream man fills us with joy and happiness and brings so many flavors of ice creams and fizzy drink, which attracts the children, and they run towards the cart like honeybees. And the ice cream man's cart looks like a flower bed. Children, you can see Rachel Field is the poet of this poem, who has used the poetic devices too in his poet. I will give you a short example of one poetic device which he has used, and that is simile. Remember it? It's a simile. SIMILE. Simile is the poetic device used in this poem, and I give you a very simple example of the simile which he has used in this last line. Children cluster round as thick as honey bees. When we compare something with the word as and like, then that is simile. And I hope you enjoy watching the video and understanding the poem The Ice Cream Man, and keep learning, keep enjoying, and keep eating the different flavors of ice cream. And for the new words, you can look at the meanings over here. All the best. Have a nice day.